Good afternoon. Welcome to Shikshavarta.in. I am Subhalakshmi Senapati with the Midday News. A district level discussion on constitutional conference titled Present Scenario of Primary Education has been held at Puri District Biragobindapur High School. Now news in details. A district level discussion on constitutional conference titled Present Scenario of Primary Education has been held at Puri District Biragobindapur High School. The program started after lighting the camp, flower bouquets to the guests and giving up Uttariya. Mr. Ajay Kumar Pradhan, President of Satyavadi Teachers Association, Primary School Teachers Association State President and Guest of Honor Mr. Brahmananda Maharana, Alasta State Vice President Mr. Pradeep Kumar Pradhan, the main attraction of the meeting and Chief Speaker Mr. Suren Kumar Jena, Professor of Political Science and Chief Speaker Suraj Mahal Saha College and former Organization Secretary of Teachers Mahasangha. Primary Teachers Association General Secretary Vibhu Prasad Sahu were presented in this occasion. The meeting has conducted in a very beautiful manner by Mr. Sujata Devi. Unity in Diversity Education Organization and Education Teachers and Educational Environment were the three basic rules of educational system and organization. In the National Education Policy 2020, the post of teachers is vacant, but the requirement process for teachers is not mentioned. The provision of midday meal according to the market price and the responsibility of midday meal system should be taken from teachers. Contractual employment of teachers should be permanent. Old pension system should be implemented. Provision of Biju Swasthya Kalyan card facility for teachers should be implemented. Block Chairman Mr. Sunil Kumar Panda highlighted the importance of environment and educational system, emphasis on strong student-teacher relationship, change the mindset towards government school. Chief Speaker Mr. Suren Kumar Jena has focused on the topic like problems of privatization of school, liberalization, and focused on how rules conducted by rich people and government for poor people in health and educational sector. Pratap Kesari Chhotrae, Khageshwar Jena, Sharad Sethi, Maksud Said Hussain, Nrsimha Charan Sethi, Ajay Kumar Pradhan, Vichitrananda Nayak, Dilip Kumar Pradhan were honored as Model Teacher Award. At the end, Mr. Sunil Kumar Sahu has opened the meeting with a vote of thanks. Reported by Himanshu Mahapatra from Satyavadi Shikshavarta, New Delhi.
Sir, please give your introduction.
Myself, Surendra Kumar Jena, reader in Political Science, Suraj Mahal Saha College, and former leader, Odisha Non-Government College Teachers Association.
What is the today's program?
Today, Primary Teachers Association of Odisha is conducting a district level organizational meeting and a seminar. And the seminar topic is the current situation and the state of primary education.
What is your own opinion about primary education in rural area?
You see, we are passing a very critical, difficult phase. After 1990, the government of India and the government of Odisha, they are aggressively pursuing the policy of neoliberal economy. Although right to education has been passed in 2009, but much of the agenda and the task that is in right to education, that remains unimplemented. Even in the rural areas, most of the teachers' posts are vacated. It is vacant. They are not given the proper wage or salary and other service conditions. There is some improvement in infrastructural level, like a building and other facilities, but the basic question of education, that remains unaddressed.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, please give your introduction.
Myself, Brahmananda Maharana, the President, Primary School Teachers Association. Now we are conducting a seminar about the school education, primary school education, and our main agenda or our demand is to abolish the new pension scheme, to implement the old pension scheme, and the implementation or abolition of contractual appointment in Odisha and also in India. So therefore we are conducting a seminar in our block, the Satyavadi and Puri district today.
What is your opinion about teacher vacant in rural primary stage.
So there are more about 50,000 teachers are vacant in Odisha, in our state. So the government is not appointing the teacher, appointing contractual teachers. So that is problem in the rural areas or school to teaching the students. So we are demanding also the appoint regular teachers.
What about rural development of rural education?
Rural education is nothing, but there is no teacher, only the improvement of the building. So it is not the education, but to appoint the teacher in school, primary school or high school, it will also develop the
We
education.
see now after a pandemic situation of corona, the educational system was mainly damaged, and the students of rural area don't come to school and don't want to study. So what about this?
So it is also true, your opinion is true, but we are trying, our teacher association also trying to come to the student to the school. So we are trying to about this.
Thank you.